Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Jewelry Tutorials. I'm Magical Maiden, and now some of you may have seen my last few jewelry tutorials using sequences. And my last one I was using these large ones that I got. Now they came in a package like this. These are the smaller ones. And they were only 99 cents for both this size and that. Now I think they were on sale because Hobby Lobby always have sales like 30, 40, 50% off or more. So I'm not sure. But they were 99 cents for a long time. But other than that, they'd be like $1.99 if they're not still 99 cents. Okay, so these I've used in a necklace. This necklace, in case you didn't see the jewelry tutorial, go ahead and check it out. So what I want to do today is I want to make matching earrings. And it's relatively easy, and this is so inexpensive. Both that necklace and my last one and this. And you want to make sure you're subscribed and click the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my newest content, because I'm going to be doing another jewelry tutorial using these, but not maybe even these, showing you how to make a longer necklace. So I'm going to transfer these over. Now, it's important to note that some of these have scratches and whatever. You know, that can't be helped with these, but clean them up with a soft tissue or cloth and try not to handle them too much. But that's how you can wipe off any dust or fingerprints, okay? Can't do much about the scratches. Okay, now these large ones already have 2 holes in them. So that's good. But if, like, these only have 1 hole, so if you wanted to connect maybe 2 together, then you just use a push pin like this and then make your other hole directly on the other side. And I've shown you how to do that on other jewelry tutorials using sequences. So be sure to check that out when you're done watching this. All right, so now with my earrings, you're going to need obviously some earring fish hooks, some jump rings. It depends on what size you want. You can use a 4mm, a 6mm. So you're also going to need some jewelry working tools, usually a round nose and a flat nose. Okay. So now I'm picking the best of the best out, and for my earrings I might do something with just 2 because they're quite big. You can even just use 1 and have a set of earrings like that and then hang a bead. For instance, I got this bead and I was thinking of doing something like that, hanging one of these beads on the bottom and just letting that dangle, and you can hang a few off the bottom, make some more holes. But I'm not sure I want to do that. I mean, but you can if you'd like. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, all right, is get all our supplies together. And I don't need this push pin yet, so I'm going to put it aside. But I do have some earring fish hooks, 6mm maybe. I want to make sure that they're not on top of each other too much, but I don't want to make them too far away. These 2 together. Get the best sides. Remember, you can clean them after you're done because you're going to be handling them anyway, so you're going to get your fingerprints on. But try not to handle them too much. Try to handle them on the edge if you would. This way it doesn't get too scratched up and too fingerprinted, you know. Okay, so I'm just doing 1 right now because in the center, and you could do that too if you want that kind of look, or you could add one of the small ones to the top, or you could just hang a little tiny thing off of it because you're going to have another extra hole because those have 2. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up my push pin and go directly across and go ahead and make the hole. And so what I'm going to do then, I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to put the push pin all the way through. Don't go too close to the edge or it splits in half. Okay? And now you want to go to the other side and there. So you want to leave a little space. Now I'm going to do the same to the other one that's going to go on the next one. Again, making sure that you go directly across. Okay, so now once you did that, we're going to get another jump ring. And I'm probably just going to use a smaller one to attach this because I don't think we need quite as much space. I'm going to put it through this one. Then I'm going to take the tiny one and put it through there. Okay. All right, so now I've attached the smaller one to the top. Now I'm going to put a 4mm jump ring on the top of this, and then I'm going to hook my earring fish hook up, like an iridescent one hanging from the bottom. Instead of a bead, you have that, and it kind of makes it all uniform. So I'm going to see how that's going to work while I make the other one, and then we'll come back. Okay, so this is what I did, and I'm going to go ahead and do my other one. And that's my cat. He always has to be in. So I hung that one up, and then I hung these two, and then I hung a little baby on the bottom. Now you don't have to do that. You could just go with the two, and then maybe a little one on the bottom. Rudy, come on now. And that's it, but it's up to you. So these will hang really nicely, and I'm going to make the other one, then I'll be back. Okay, so here are the earrings completed. Now I tried them on and I really like the way they look. And you can wear them without this piece or without the bottom and just these two or just these. And I tried them with just this and these two and it looks just as good. But because these big ones have two holes, I wanted to hang a little one. So you can find all these sequences at Hobby Lobby. They have the 3 package ones that look like this. I'm going to show you in a minute. I have these, and the ones that I showed you that come with iridescence, different sizes and colors, are in a 3 package like this from, and it'll look like that. And they're all the sequins are in the jewelry aisle, and I have some black ones. But the mixed silver ones look like that. And then you just have the regular silver ones and then again the big silver ones. So it depends what you want. They also have mixed colors in this, like red and blue and green, and they have all kinds. They have gold. So pick the color you want. So again, it's really simple and easy to do. These earrings look great, and it's going to look good with the necklace that I made to match, and it looked good just with this and these two and just these two. So, but like I said, they come with 2 holes, so I wanted to have something dangling. Okay, so there it is. It's really fast, easy, and affordable to make these. They don't cost that much. They're like 99 cents for that. Sorry about the noise in the background. So here it is. You just need some sequins, earring fish hooks, and some jump rings, 6 or 4 millimeters. So if you didn't want the longer ones, then you can just make these short ones. It could be a bit much for some people to have those longer ones, at least, you know. So it's okay, but I like it. I like the little extra, but I also sometimes like a little bit of something. So if you don't want to wear the longer, bigger ones, to, like, say you're going shopping at the grocery store, but you can get away with wearing these, then you do that. And then when you're on a night out, you can wear the other ones, or on a holiday. So it's up to you. I wear whatever I want to wear whenever I want to wear it. You could add a bead to it if you'd rather. but I figured this was all sequences and I wanted it all to match. You can mix some iridescent ones. They didn't have any iridescent large ones. So, but that's it. I hope you like this video. Please give this a like, share this with anyone you know that might like this jewelry tutorial, and comment if you have any questions on this craft, or if you just want to say hello. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification, because I'm going to be uploading more coming soon, showing you a nice long necklace using sequins. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my videos. Bye.